Hey there, fitness warriors! Ever wondered if foam rolling is the secret weapon your recovery routine needs? Let's dive into the facts and find out if foam rolling really makes a difference. First up, what exactly is foam rolling? Imagine giving yourself a deep tissue massage using a cylindrical piece of foam. Sounds intriguing, right? Foam rolling targets your muscles and fascia, the connective tissue surrounding them, helping to release tension and improve blood flow. So, how does it work? When you roll over specific muscle groups, the pressure helps break up knots and adhesions. Think of it like ironing out the wrinkles in your muscles. This can lead to improved flexibility and less muscle soreness. But is it really effective? According to some studies, foam rolling can increase your range of motion and decrease muscle stiffness. For example, one study found that athletes who foam rolled for just 2 minutes were able to stretch further than those who didn't. Plus, foam rolling has been shown to reduce the delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, that we all know and dread. Now let's talk about the benefits. Foam rolling can be a game changer for recovery. It helps to flush out metabolic waste from your muscles, which speeds up recovery time. By increasing blood circulation, it also delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, aiding in repair and growth. But it's not just about physical benefits. Foam rolling can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Taking time to focus on your body and breath can be a form of mindfulness, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. So, how do you get started? First, choose a foam roller that suits your needs. There are various types and densities, softer rollers for beginners and firmer ones for deeper pressure. Then, spend about 5-10 minutes rolling out major muscle groups like your quads, hamstrings, and back. Go slow and pay attention to any tight or tender areas, spending extra time there to release the tension. But be cautious. Avoid rolling over joints and be gentle with sensitive areas. Listen to your body and don't push through pain. Remember, foam rolling should feel uncomfortable, but not unbearable. So, is foam rolling the key to faster recovery? While it's not a magic bullet, it can certainly be a valuable tool in your recovery arsenal. Combined with proper nutrition, hydration, and rest, foam rolling can help you bounce back quicker and stronger. Give it a try and see how your body responds. Your muscles might just thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay strong and keep rolling.